Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos, Chapter 22, Today's Date Function in Excel. The Today function in Excel is a simple yet powerful tool that returns the current date, automatically updating each day you open the spreadsheet. This function is particularly useful in corporate finance for managing and analyzing time-sensitive data, such as tracking deadlines, monitoring financial performance over time, and updating reports. To use the Today function, you simply enter =today into a cell. The function will display the current date in a default date format. Since today is a volatile function, it recalculates every time the workbook is opened, ensuring that your data remains current without requiring manual updates. In financial modeling and reporting, Today can be used to create dynamic reports that reflect the most recent data. For instance, you can use it to calculate the age of an investment, determine the number of days until a financial deadline, or update projections based on the current date. By leveraging Today, you streamline your financial processes, reduce the risk of outdated information, and maintain accuracy in your financial analyses and decision-making.